Hey everybody, how's it going? Mike from the Focus Garage here coming at you, and in today's video we are going to be upgrading the front turn signals in my Ford Maverick. Now, before this video gets started, I kind of wanted to just show you what the OEM halogen bulbs look like before we throw in the replacements from LASFIT lighting. So you can see here with them on, we've got the one on solid and the other blinker on here. You've got, the orange filling the housing even when the light is on. It's not matching the headlight or anything like that. You've just got this orange running light kind of illuminating the whole housing there. And then obviously everybody's seen a blinker before. Here's your blinker going on and off. Nothing crazy. No sharp, crisp on and off of an LED. You've got your halogen fading in and out there. Doesn't match the headlights very well. Kind of fits, your typical Ford front end look. But we're going to be upgrading these bulbs with switchback LED bulbs from LASFIT Lighting. And in this video, you're going to be seeing how to install them, and we'll get it started.
Just like in our last lighting video, we're going to be working with LASFIT lighting. And this one I think might be even easier than the rear cargo lights. So this is the part number that we're going to be using here. We're going to be upgrading the front turn signals with their plug and play LED replacement units. These are CAN bus friendly, they're not polarity sensitive, and they're just a direct swap. This is so easy, I can't even make it up. Looking at the front of the vehicle here is the driver's side. This is your turn signal. That is the turn signal right there. Passenger side headlight, turn signal. That is your turn signal right there. Now, these are so easy. All you're going to do is just twist. You pull it out, and there's the bulb. You'll pull this bulb out of the socket. You'll throw in one of these, and then you'll be good to go. This is literally, I don't know, a 1 or 2 minute install. Pop that back in, obviously twist it back into place, and it's done. It's literally that simple. So I'm going to open these up. I'll put one in and kind of show you what it looks like in the housing versus the factory one, and then we'll swap them both in, and then we'll show you what it looks like running the headlights with the blinkers on, running lights, hazards, all that. So let's get them all swapped over. Again, twist, pull, done. So something else that I kind of like about the upgraded bulb, which we have in this side here, is that it doesn't kind of orange out that, egg yolk, runny yolk light in the housing there. You kind of have almost more of a crisp whiteness. You can see that here. The whole housing kind of looks white. Whereas on this side, you've got a lot of that kind of amber in there. You've got the crisp kind of white there, a little bit of the gold tones from the LED itself. But then when it's off, you've got the amber on this side there. So the LASFIT bulb, your amber bulb there.
So now that you've got the bulbs installed, this is what you're looking at. You can see we've got the blinker on the one side, and it's switching back between the white running light and the amber blinker itself. So you can kind of see that crisp LED bright on off, really sharp look there. And then on the side that's not on, you've got this cool white that matches the headlight perfectly, with the housing there and everything like that when it's not on the blinker. So when the lights are running, that's what you've got on the one side. And then you've got obviously your very bright LED blinker on the one side here. Very, very bright, huge upgrade over stock. So now here's what you've got with just the lights on with no blinkers on. So since this is an Lariat, you don't have the LED running light in the top of the headlight. So this kind of helps fill that in. You've got the LED cool white from the blinkers matching the headlights there. And then when you've got the hazards on, here's what it looks like. You've got the orange flashing back to the white, kind of that differentiating. And then without anything on, here's what your blinker looks like. You've got the orange and then off, orange and then off. No white running light, nothing like that. I think this looks fantastic.
And that is going to wrap this video up. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to LASFIT Lighting for providing the front LED turn signals as well as the rear cargo LED lighting for the bed of the truck. These are mods that I've wanted to do with the vehicle since I first picked it up. I love working with this company because they make very, very top-notch quality products. Their bulbs do not feel like cheap plastic. There's metal componentry. There's heat sinks on them. They come with a warranty. They've got the USA support. And the newest thing that I love is they're not polarity sensitive. If you guys have ever installed LED bulbs in the past and you're dealing with polarity, trying to figure out, you need to go flip the bulb, everything like that. Some of these bulbs are not as easy to access as this. So you're digging in blind places, you're removing stuff. And it's a real pain if you have the bulb flipped 180 degrees. That is not something you have to worry about with these. You put them in and they work first shot, you're ready to go. But again, that's going to wrap this one up. Super happy with how these bulbs turned out. Can't wait to see these on the road and at night.